Hi, and welcome to the Phrase demo session. I'm Vitoir, product manager here at Phrase, and today I'll show you how to translate entire Figma projects in minutes, pixel perfect and production ready. So what did we build? We shipped 3 major upgrades to remove friction from Figma localization. First, we improved how we handle heavy files. So uploading keys with screenshots is now nearly twice as fast, and for those massive frames with hundreds of keys, you'll see wait times drop by up to 40%. Next, and this is a big one, we now preserve rich style formatting on the full localization round trip. This means from Figma to strings, TMS, and back again. So your bolding, colors, and links stay exactly as they were, no manual restyling needed. And finally, you no longer have to pull languages one by one. You can now pull up to 5 languages back into Figma in a single attempt. And that alone is going to save you lots of time. So let me show you how this works. I'm going to select the frame as I did right now. I'm going to open up a Figma plugin. And I'm going to push this to my project with the English as a default. And in a second or two, the content will be at Phrase. So I can open up the project just to show you what happened here. So when we push the content, before I did that, I enabled this preserve formatting and styling option. And it enabled this option to add and wrap the rich content and styling into these HTML tags, which are also sent to TMS and on the full round trip back to Figma. And this will allow us to actually keep this styling intact. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to pull this content from English to 5 different target languages. As you can see, these are the 5s I'm going to pick. So this is now a multi-select. And when I pull this back to Figma, it will create a separate page for each of these target languages. But bear in mind, it will copy not just the selection, but every design from the page. So if you have lots of content, it will be repeated here. So take this as a notice. So pull to Figma, it will start creating separate pages on the left sidebar. It's going to produce a report how many layers are actually updated. And I see all target layers are actually updated, so I can close this down. And now I can show you how this actually looks. So this is the English version of the file and design with rich styling. This is the German. And as you can see, it preserved everything. Then there is Spanish language. Then we have French. Then we have Portuguese. And finally, Russian. So what's the bottom line here? It means no manual restyling. Your designs come back review ready, so you can actually review and fix what's important. It means massive file support, so your big files are supported by Figma and Phrase, so you can scale without hitting a performance wall. And with 5 times faster retrieval of target languages on pull, you get to stay in your flow and keep designing. This feature is actually available to all Phrase accounts, and we hope that these improvements will help designers focus on design while Phrase handles the localization part at scale. And that's it. Keep on phrasing.